Just a very quick video. In my Janome tutorial on how to get started with Janome machine, I forgot to include how to change the needle. So this is a very quick video to show you that now. So there's a little screw here. I just undo that and the needle comes out, the old needle. So on the needle you'll see there's a rounded side and a flat side. So on the Janome machine, the rounded side should be facing you and the flat side should be away from you. So get your new needle, into the space underneath, just slide it up like this. Tighten the screw like that, and you're now ready to use the new needle.